डेकोरेशन का पैसा कब देगा?
और अभी फोटोग्राफी का भी पैसा बाकी है, समझ गया ना?
होटल रूम का भी अभी बाकी है, वो कब देगा?
कब देगा भाई?
कब देगा पैसा?
दिनों का हो गया ये।
क्या क्या कब देगा पैसा?
Sir, वो
It's work time. Why you sleep?
sir, payment bills, invoices.
What bill invoices?
Sir, you know I'm getting married this year,
Okay.
and that too in Udaipur.
Okay.
Sir, I need your help. Yes, I need your help with two things.
No, I cannot.
Yeah, please. Number one, I need 2 months ka leave.
What?
And number two, I have created this entire expense tracker. Pura planning is like sub done.
Yeah.
I need you to verify it, please.
I cannot verify
Sir,
anything.
please, sir,
But this
please.
2-month holiday is nonsense, na? Show me your Excel sheet.
I will show it. Achha,
I'm sure it's wrong.
Arey,
only.
no, it is not wrong.
मुझे कुछ नहीं सीखता है.
No, sir, it's all done.
This looks okay. Oh.
है ना?
I have an idea. What if I reduce your destination wedding का cost by a few lakh rupees?
No. I know what you'll say. You'll say, इसको कम कर दो, इसको कम कर दो, इसको कम कर दो. Sir, I don't want to compromise on the quality.
No. These are silly mistakes. I will improve the quality. Tell you 4 things you should definitely do. Everyone's making this mistake. But you have to reduce your chutti from 60 days to 15 days.
20 days.
17 days, and I'll also put an Excel sheet so you can calculate if you can afford the destination wedding
18 days.
or not.
18 days.
Done.
Sir, I'll show you the plan, okay? Just 1 second.
This is not
Arey-
an Excel sheet.
Yes, अरे I also have an Excel sheet. Wait. अरे यार sir, मुझे क्या समझा हुआ है? I saw a video. It says I have to spend this much amount for 200 guests. So that's covered, na?
No. So what we need to do is we need to break down the actual cost line by line. Of course, this will change for you. Will change for you. So I can see over here. What's the room rate per day?
Room rate. अच्छा, I'll have to check once.
You don't know the room rate per day.
अरे I know. मैं भूल गया था.
Taxes, waxes सब मिला के.
हाँ, it's 9,440.
Okay. And this is 2 days, right?
2 days.
Okay. So straight away 9.44 lakhs. Now let's go next, which is your cost of food and banquet. Okay?
I have written that as well.
Which brings the total cost for just food, that's 6 meals across 2 days, at 21 lakh rupees.
21 lakhs?
Yes.
I mean, in the end, people would still complain, but that's a lot.
Yeah. People always say, khana.
Can I save some money?
Let's figure out the entire cost first. This is
Where am I
almost...
saving money?
Abhi nahi, abhi first cost. This is almost half of your entire budget. Okay. Now let's move on to the area where no one budgets. No one thinks कि यार इसका भी cost निकालना है.
Correct.
This is DJ, rituals, mehndi, photography,
Yes, sir.
all these things.
Rituals, decor, entertainment, photography,
Yeah.
everything is there. We know we can't save money here. ये fixed है.
What's the cost for the decor?
It's very good. Let's just talk about where we can save money.
Good point. Gifting का क्या cost है?
Gift तो आते हैं.
See, everyone thinks these
Gifting का
things तो
cost
हो
क्या
जाएंगे, and
होता है?
because you don't include it, that's the problem. Like this guy here.
Gifting का cost क्या होता है?
So we'll go one by one. What's the cost of the decor?
हाँ, decor 1 minute. Cost of decor is 9 lakhs,
Okay, this is across 4 functions.
including GST. हाँ.
And what about your photo video package? जो pre-wedding वगैरह कर रहे हो तुम?
अरे
क्या?
नहीं, no pre-wedding यार. 3 lakhs.
Okay. I'll add 3 lakhs. And what about your photographer?
I just said
ये वो
3
दिल्ली
lakhs.
वाला है क्या?
Correct. The premium. I want to get like aesthetic.
Photos. आप समझ रहे हो? Aesthetic.
So you're going to fly him from Delhi to
Correct.
Udaipur for this. ठीक है. What's the cost?
1 lakh.
So now we have all these costs: bridal mehendi, makeup. You know what makeup artists are called?
Makeup artists.
My team tells me, the females tell me, it's called mua. मैंने बोला समझा नहीं मैं. They said mua. Makeup artist. Anyway, DJ entertainment, there's gifting and hampers, rituals. So now if you add up all of these costs, which people think are miscellaneous,
Ari sir, I have written this.
but they're not. These are important. It's adding up to, wanna guess?
To
9.73 lakhs. Let's move on. There's one more cost people forget.
Correct.
If people land in the airport or show up at the bus stop or the railway station, you want to arrange for transfers to. I'm gonna add this 75,000.
75,000,
And
sir.
for some people, you have to arrange for the airfare. You know who?
Airfare.
Airfare. You have to pay for their airfare fare. Who is it?
Who?
Your parents. Her parents. उसका तो pay करोगे?
अरे हर पेरेंट्स का तो
It's going to cost. So we'll add this. I think is about 110,000 के आसपास. ये तो तुम बताओ. Bridal jewelry and engagement outfits, wedding outfits, jewelry, groom
It's all
outfits,
written, yeah.
jewelry for gifting. I have no idea how much this costs. Add this up. If you have no idea how much this costs, that's a problem. Figure that cost out, like he is. How much does this total cost of Udaipur wedding come to? Your budget was 50,
One.
and this is 67 lakh rupees, 64,000.
What so? कहाँ गया पैसा?
This is the problem. When you have a budget, you don't actually break down the cost, so that budget is actually fake. Now we know the actual cost. Cool? Now let's move to chapter number 2. But I have a question for you.
अरे यार sir, where will I save money or will
I will tell you, but one question over here. Let's suppose, for whatever reason, your wedding gets postponed or short-term cancelled.
You don't, sir, मैं नहीं जा रहा, छुट्टी छोड़ देता हूँ मैं, कोई बात नहीं, यही रहता हूँ. अरे क्यों हंस गए?
Example. If you spent in so much on advances and you have to move it by 7 days, 10 days, 20 days, 2 days, then what do you do?
भाग के शादी कर लूँगा.
That's a good option. Another option is to get wedding insurance.
Wedding, what?
Yeah, let me show you. If you get wedding insurance, check this out.
I can get this insured.
Read this. This is the hotel cancellation policy. Read the last line.
30 days prior to the date of room's arrival, 100% पैसा gone.
Correct. Which means if an emergency happens, then 100% of the money is gone and the hotel will not pay. And usually your banquet, food, everything is this only. So it's not just this, it's a bunch of other things. Then these guys have similar policies as well.
Of course, so they will not give me money.
Correct. And it makes sense for them, right? Because they have multiple weddings that they've booked for. This is where the insurance comes in. And
Interesting है, एक बार ये बताना. Okay.
so there are 4 heads. There is protection against an event cancellation. There is public liability. If a third party gets injured, that's covered. There is coverage of material damage and personal accident.
Sir, I have a complaint. Sir,
Okay.
this everything is okay. I genuinely want to do destination wedding, and in this start you also said 4 steps that you will tell me to save money.
Oh, right.
Where are those 4 steps, sir?
The first step that you can actually do is look at
ये
this.
दिखाइए.
So we looked at the cost, right? The cost for the hotels was 9.44 lakhs, correct? Now you were getting married in October 2026.
Correct.
If you change the date to say September, the month to September, everything
कोई
changes.
difference ही नहीं आएगा.
Actually, बहुत difference आएगा
नहीं,
because
sir.
you have on season and off season. In on season, everyone's getting married in that season, so the cost of everything is high. But if you shift to an off season, then everything goes low. So
If I prepone my wedding, I'm saving 2 lakhs.
yeah, during the off season, every single vendor's cost can be negotiated and will reduce because tab काम थोड़ा कम है. I'm talking about the makeup artist, the DJ, the entertainment, the caterers. Now listen. This is the most emotional decision you'll make, correct? Which means we are not allowed to ask certain questions, but I will ask.
Which will help me save money.
Save money, improve the quality, make you happier, all those things. Ready? Option 1. The hotel has tea and coffee arrangements, right?
Correct.
So why do you want to do high tea?
Because
High tea, if I remove from this Excel, you will save 6 lakh rupees. What if you spend that on your honeymoon a little bit? Ghumne jao, something else. Spend it on yourself. Option number 2, you can reduce the number of guests. So your total cost will reduce Do you really need 100 people? Reduce it. No, reduce it.
Ari sir, that is not possible. They have also invited me in their functions, in their wedding, and of course it's my wedding. I want them all, sir. 100 के 120 हो जाएंगे, 99 भी नहीं हो सकते हैं.
ठीक है. Cool. It doesn't work for him. If it's possible for you, you're getting 300 guests. If you can get 280, 250, then good. But please think about it at least once, if it's possible.
Alternative hack.
Okay, you want to not take this option,
Correct.
but it's a good hack. So, as you know, I was married 10 years ago, and I bought that sherwani. I think it was 25,000 rupees. It was very expensive. 35,000 rupees. That's my wife in the background listening to this. Okay, 35. It was expensive. I still have it at home, and I've never worn it again. I was not smart. I think you can be.
How?
Can you
I'll
rent outfits and jewelry instead of buying it?
You
It
want me to
makes sense.
rent my dupatta?
No, your clothes and the jewelry. It can be rented.
I don't wear jewelry.
Your to-be wife will wear.
I'll have to ask usse.
This one I think I really liked. I'll just modify this. Okay. So you have 4 events over the
Correct.
next 2 days.
Correct.
Why don't you reduce 2 of them? Mehndi, Haldi. You can do it right here in Delhi. And the actual event, the main event, you do your destination wedding.
It's
5 lakh rupees. That's actually a really big save.
I'll have to think about it, but sahi
Did you
to hai
notice
yaar ye.
something? Abhishek had added this photographer who will travel all the way from Delhi, all the way to Udaipur.
Arey, because he's good na.
And Udaipur has no good photographers. You have not made the effort. Uska tum flight kar rahe ho, hotel kar rahe ho. Don't do that. Find a good photographer
Oh.
at the destination wedding. And by photographer, I mean any vendor. And that straight away reduces cost. So please do that. If you total all this up, decoration and all this, you'll save about 5 lakh rupees. All of these things put together save something like 13 lakhs. Of course, you will not choose all of them.
Yes, correct. I'll have to.
You'll pick some of them. You'll save a few lakhs for sure.
ठीक है. Sir, after this number, what's the actual budget? Here, एक second. See, sir,
54
this
lakhs.
is still not. Sir, this is way above my budget. 51 lakhs. What the budget? ये ऊपर है. Is there a one like major तगड़ा वाला hack?
Yeah,
It's gonna
yes.
save like 20s of lakhs.
See, at this point, if you want to do saving, right, people will think hotel, let's reduce the cost. Meals, let's reduce the cost.
Correct.
Flowers, let's reduce the cost.
But
these are actually not good options
Correct.
because that is part of the main experience.
Yes.
You ideally don't want to cut down on any of these things. But you can cut down on this. You know what I
just
mean?
destroyed the.
No. Sorry. The destination.
You destroyed the destination.
No. My point is, what if you change the destination from Udaipur to, say, this destination here,
Where?
Rishikesh? I feel like destination wedding means that you have to do it in Udaipur or any of these places. And there's like a brand associated with it, Udaipur destination wedding. But destination wedding is a wedding outside of where you live in a place that you think is picturesque.
But I want to do it in Udaipur.
Fine, and you should do it in Udaipur.
I
But
love
if you're
Udaipur.
saying I want Udaipur and I want to reduce the cost, then you should consider changing the location. Rishikesh, for example, is pretty. If you get a nice location overlooking the Ganga or something which is really nice, why don't we try to reduce the cost but also improve the experience?
Sir, if we are reducing the cost, can I have can I host my all 4 events वहाँ पर ही?
Yeah, okay. So you
all
get
4.
All 4.
You can write that for एक बारी. Let's
Okay,
just
1 minute.
check the updated number.
First, I'll do the room rent. So we have a total room rent. We will do the meals, decor. You said 4 events there, right?
हाँ, 4. All
So
4.
it'll cost us 1 lakh more than Udaipur, but you're getting 2 extra events. So fine, cool,
I mean, mota, I am also saving money, I feel.
super. So okay, if I add all this up, I have total cost.
No.
And
आ गया.
yeah,
44 lakhs.
yeah.
That's it.
So there you have it. You saved 10 lakh rupees because you changed the destination.
4 lakhs.
But you know, this video is really not about that. You know, when you become older, you realize the wedding was not the destination. Even if it's a destination wedding, it was the start to a new journey. And trust me, it's the most amazing journey you're ever going to take. You have to take care of parents, yourself, do trips, start new hobbies. You and your spouse will change. You might have kids, they might go to school. There are so many milestones. you don't want to spend everything you got on the start of that journey. And you'll probably be married to her for 50 years, right? Life बहुत लंबी है. So you want to be measured that throughout life you're able to spread your expenses so you can actually enjoy life without taking too much stress. So 15 days पक्का holiday?
18 आपने खुद अप्रूव किया था. थैंक यू सर. आई लव यू टू. बाय बाय.
Abhishek,